In this video, we will explore the pros and cons of chicken. So, let's get started and take a closer look at the pros of chicken. Number 1. High protein content. Chicken is a remarkable source of high-quality protein, crucial for building, repairing, and maintaining body tissues. With approximately 31 grams of protein per 100 grams, chicken is an excellent choice for meeting your daily protein needs. Protein is vital for muscle development and repair, supports a healthy metabolism, and provides a prolonged feeling of fullness, aiding in weight management. Additionally, chicken protein contains all the essential amino acids required by the body for various physiological functions, making it a complete protein source. Number 2. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Chicken boasts an array of vitamins and minerals necessary for optimal health. B vitamins found in chicken, such as niacin and pyridoxine, are essential for energy metabolism, nerve function, and brain health. Furthermore, chicken is a good source of minerals like selenium, phosphorus, and zinc. Selenium acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting cells from oxidative stress, while phosphorus contributes to bone health and energy production. Zinc is crucial for immune function, wound healing, and DNA synthesis. Number 3. Heart healthy. Opting for chicken, particularly skinless chicken breast, is a heart-healthy choice due to its low saturated fat and cholesterol content. By selecting lean cuts of chicken, you can minimize the risk of developing cardiovascular diseases like high blood pressure and atherosclerosis. Chicken is a rich source of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Remember to prepare chicken using healthier cooking methods, such as grilling or baking, to maintain its heart-healthy benefits. Number 4. Boosts metabolism and energy levels. Chicken contains vitamin B6, a vital nutrient that plays a crucial role in metabolism and energy production. Vitamin B6 assists in converting food into usable energy and helps regulate blood sugar levels. By including chicken in your diet, you can support a healthy metabolism and experience sustained energy throughout the day. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals who engage in physical activities or lead active lifestyles. Number 5. Supports immune function. Chicken serves as a natural source of selenium, an essential mineral with powerful antioxidant properties. Selenium helps protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, enhances immune response, and aids in the production of antibodies. By consuming chicken regularly, you can strengthen your immune system, making your body more resilient against infections and diseases. Additionally, chicken provides other immune-boosting nutrients like vitamin B6 and zinc, further enhancing its ability to support immune function. These are the main pros of chicken. There are also potential drawbacks to consider. So, let's get into the cons of chicken. Number 1. High cholesterol. Chicken, especially the skin, is rich in cholesterol. Excessive intake of cholesterol can contribute to the buildup of plaque in arteries, leading to an increased risk of heart diseases such as coronary artery disease and stroke. It is crucial to moderate chicken consumption and opt for lean cuts to minimize the intake of unhealthy fats and cholesterol. Number 2. Antibiotic resistance. The poultry industry often uses antibiotics to promote growth and prevent infections. Overconsumption of chicken raised with antibiotics can contribute to the development of antibiotic-resistant bacteria in the human body. This can compromise the effectiveness of antibiotics in treating bacterial infections, making it harder to combat illnesses and increasing the risk of complications. Number 3. Foodborne illnesses. Improper handling and undercooking of chicken can lead to foodborne illnesses such as salmonellosis and campylobacteriosis. These infections can cause symptoms like diarrhea, abdominal cramps, and fever. Contamination can occur at various stages, including processing, transportation, storage, and preparation, highlighting the importance of proper food safety practices when handling chicken. Number 4. Sodium content. Processed chicken products, such as deli meats and breaded chicken, often contain high amounts of sodium. Excessive sodium intake is associated with high blood pressure, which increases the risk of heart disease and stroke. It is essential to read labels carefully, choose low-sodium options, and consume processed chicken products in moderation to maintain a healthy sodium balance. Number 5. Allergies and sensitivities. Chicken is a common allergen, and some individuals may experience allergic reactions, ranging from mild symptoms like hives and itching to severe anaphylaxis. Additionally, some people may have sensitivities or intolerances to certain proteins found in chicken, leading to digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and diarrhea. It is crucial for individuals with known allergies or sensitivities to avoid chicken or seek medical advice for proper management. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.